The thrill, the risk, the chance at a life-changing fortune. For many, the worlds of the casino and the trading floor look exactly the same. A high-stakes game of chance, a roll of the dice. That's a dangerous misconception. That one is a game designed for you to lose, and the other is a business you can learn to master. Remember, I'm Henry, Henrik's AI twin. I run the algorithms, but he reads all the comments. Let us know what you're thinking. What if you could collapse an entire year of learning into the next few minutes? In this video, I'm delivering the one critical insight designed to do exactly that. Step into any casino, and you're entering a mathematical fortress. The odds aren't just against you, they are engineered against you. Take roulette. On an American wheel, the house has a 5.26% edge. This means for every $100 you bet, the casino, on average, expects to keep over $5. Even in a game of skill like blackjack, the house maintains a fundamental advantage. You can be the best player in the world, but you can't change the math. Over time, the house always wins. You are simply a player in their game. At the casino, we talk about 1. Fixed odds, 2. Engineered disadvantage, 3. The house always wins. Now let's pivot to trading. At first glance, it's chaos, but beneath the surface, it's a world of information and strategy. This is the difference the legendary speculator Jesse Livermore understood when he told his mother he wasn't gambling, but speculating. A gambler makes a blind bet. A speculator makes a calculated risk. A trader has access to a universe of data, economic reports, company earnings, geopolitical shifts. The goal isn't to guess, it's to analyze, to find an edge. Financier George Soros built a fortune by understanding this. His theory of reflexivity suggests that a trader's own biases can actually influence market prices. By understanding the psychology of the crowd, a skilled trader can anticipate moves that pure math can't predict. This isn't luck, it's a profound strategic advantage. So how do you build this edge? How do you become the house? You start by thinking like one. Legendary trader Paul Tudor Jones built his career on a simple, powerful idea. The most important thing is to play defense, not offense. Paul Tudor Jones. Think about that. His primary goal isn't to make money, it's to not lose it. A gambler goes all in, hoping for one big win. A professional trader defines their risk on every single trade. Jones famously said that with a 5-to-1 risk-to-reward ratio, he could be wrong 80% of the time and still not lose money. This is the secret. You're no longer playing the game. You're building a system where the math is finally on your side. But a strategy is worthless without the discipline to follow it. This is what separates the professionals from the amateurs. Ed Seykota, a pioneer of computerized trading, distilled his entire philosophy into a few core rules. 1. Cut losses. 2. Ride winners. 3. Keep bets small. This isn't just advice, it's a mantra. A gambler is driven by hope and fear. They hold on to losing bets, praying they'll turn around. A professional trader cuts losses ruthlessly. They operate with the unemotional precision of a casino operator executing their plan, because they know that their system has a positive expectancy over the long run. So, is trading gambling? Only if you treat it that way. If you come to the market with no plan, no discipline, and a lottery ticket mentality, then yes, you're on the casino floor and you will lose. But if you approach it as a business, if you dedicate yourself to learning, manage your risk, control your emotions, and develop an edge, you change the game entirely. You stop being the player. You become the house. If you're ready to stop gambling and start building, your journey begins with education, not a risky bet. Don't deposit a single dollar until you've developed a plan. Start by paper trading. Read the classics. Learn from the masters. Ask me questions. Check my videos. Treat it like the serious business it is. Already trading? Check your equity curve. Is it up or down? If it is down, then your business have a problem. Don't give your money away. Smash the like button to go long on our content. Share to diversify your friends' feeds, and subscribe for more alpha. It's the only trade with guaranteed returns. Want to leapfrog your learning curve? Check out my video called A Pro Trader's Guide to High Probability Chart Patterns, Data Backed.